What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you where you can buy RWA assets such as US Treasuries, stocks, real estate, and much more with stable coins, and you can actually earn yield. But before I show you where to do that, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So right here on the CoinGecko website, real world assets, there are many different companies that actually sells. We're gonna take a look a couple of them, but I'm gonna leave this link in the description below if you decide to explore all the other ones as well. So the first one we're gonna take a look at, it's Ondo Finance, and this one actually offers quite a few different assets, but in US we're gonna take a look at one specific one. It's Ondo short-term US government treasuries. So if you can see right here, this is how much one treasury is gonna cost, and right here current APY yield that you can earn 3.5%, and in here you can purchase with USDC. So what you can do, you can come up over here, connect your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that has support, and with USDC you can purchase government treasury and earn yield. And same thing in here, you can also sell it back if you decide. For example, you purchase couple, you hold for a little bit, and then you decide to sell it back. You just switch that, and then you'll be able to sell back your treasuries to USDC. And then if we move on to back.fi, so this is another one where you can actually buy like stocks, S&P, coin, Nvidia, Tesla, and much more. So there's a couple things you can do here. X stocks, and you can buy in many different ways. So one of the ways you can actually purchase either through centralized, and the other one through decentralized finance. So let's go to the xstocks.fi. So in here you're going to be able to find all the stocks that you can purchase on chain. And if we scroll down here, you're going to be able to see that on centralized exchange you can buy on Kraken, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bitmart, Bybit, and BitGet. So if we'll go to actually Gate.io, I already pulled that up, Tesla X USDT, and you're going to be able to just log in here, fund the account, or purchase crypto through here and buy stocks. And this is the real price of the stock that is on a stock index. And then another way you can also purchase through the centralized exchange, and if you will go back here, you can see that they sell on Jupiter, Solflare, and Solana.com. So we're just gonna pull up Jupiter. In here I already found Tesla X. So same thing, you connect your wallet, either Phantom or MetaMask or Brave, whatever you have installed, fund your account or your wallet, and I'll show you where you can actually purchase with non-KYC exchange and send USDC or other coins to your MetaMask wallet. And then in here you just have to search for, so in here I open that up and then I type Tesla X, then the first one came up. This is the one from StockX, and that's it. That's how much one stock is gonna cost. They are basically stocks on chain, on a blockchain, and that's the way you're gonna be able to actually purchase and hold real world asset just on chain, and they're backed one-to-one. In the same way you can sell it back. And then another company is called Maple.finance. So this one actually lets you provide liquidity to earn some yield. So like for example right here, Syrup and USDC or USDT, you can basically lend your tokens. You can buy Syrup tokens and then lend with USDC or USDT and earn 4.9% APY. And then the last one where you can actually purchase real estate. So it's Lofty.ai marketplace, and right here there are many different places that sells real estate. It's basically fractional real estate broken down into tokenization. Like for example right here, this building in Washington state, and you can buy the cheapest token for $49, and you're going to be able to earn 6.2% average yield. And they have available 24,017 tokens total, and they have properties throughout entire United States. And in here, so you'll just have to log in, go through the registration process, and you can purchase fractionalize assets with a USDC as well. And to actually purchase tokens with USDC or USDT, you'll need stable coins. So in here, you'll have to open up MetaMask, and then you'll have to just purchase tokens and transfer them into your MetaMask wallet. And one of the best places to do that is on bitunix.com. It's a centralized exchange, but it does not require KYC for anybody. Doesn't matter if you're in US or in Europe, and it's a really great exchange. You can also buy tokens here via card and other places, but if you're going to use your debit card or credit card, most likely you'll have to do some kind of KYC because it's going to use third-party company. But this actual Bitunix centralized exchange does not require KYC. After you're going to get the money here, you can transfer Ethereum or any other one to USDC and then withdraw and put it on your MetaMask. Once you'll have in the MetaMask, then you can start buying RWA assets with your stablecoins. And every link that I show you in this video, I'm going to leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.